right around the turn of the century, from the 1800s to the 1900s, there was a little town in Sweden called Överkalix. They kept meticulous data on food consumption and crop availability and the like. So they did this retrospective study, and they found some interesting things. They found that the grandfather who smoked had sons who had greater body mass indices, heavier. Found out that women who had too much food while they were gestating in their mother's womb had granddaughters. Oh, this gets really crazy. Had granddaughters who had a higher cardiovascular mortality. Interesting that habits and diet can actually apparently affect the methylation. These tags placed on these histone tails can either cause genes to be expressed, or they can cause the genes to be locked down, or they can cause a gene to be expressed. Crazy stuff, is it not? I'm going to put a link below the video so that you can kind of take a look at this and wrap your brain around it. I'm going to just say ahead of time, I feel like I have 5 thumbs on each hand with this. I am a complete noob, and I am just learning like you are. So read it. Tell me what you think about it. Here's the question for now. Diet and habits have no hereditary link to expression of genes. Is this true or false? Thumbs up for true. Thumbs down for false. Based on this information, what do you think?